Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Bukumi Gabriel. In today's class, I will be doing a middle part sewing. That's a middle part leave out. Going to be leaving it out, but I just want you to see something really simple about this method of sewing I'm trying to do. Can you see how I weave the hair? I had to weave something very close, a tiny weave very close to the hair I'm leaving out, and that's just for me to get a perfect hair being close to the hair and makes it really look more natural and flat than you having a space flat, then a hump close to it, all of those things. I discovered that this method makes it really easy, and I'm just thinking it's good if I share this with my subscribers, because it's been a while I posted anyway. So guys, let's try this and tell me what you feel, if you'll be willing to try this in the comment section, and if not, let me know why. And I just think it's good. The result when you see it looks really nice. So another thing in this video that I think is a hack, apart from the traditional weaving we usually do, is that in this video you can sew your hair from the front to the other front, like a U kind of sewing. That way you have more hair to cover your hairline, and you don't have to pick your own edges so tiny the way we used to pick it. You can leave that out and use that to make baby hair eventually, and your edges are intact while you have a full hair at the back. You understand? So this method I think is really good, and I think is more protective and looks really nice. So I just really want to know if you guys will be willing to try this. Let me know. So in this, I just went on to sew the hair traditionally, and also in this I didn't pieces a weave, because I know it's really tricky, because you want the front to be flat, but you can make it flat even without cutting the weave. So you just have to be conscious and ready to make sure that angle is flat enough. So that's what I did. Then I went on to do a mini silk press on her natural hair, because she has natural hair and she's leaving it down extensions. So I went on to use my hot comb to stretch her hair before going with the straightener. This way it makes the hair already it makes it really flat before going on. Yeah, then after this I just went on to curl, then show you what the baby hair result looks like. So from here guys, I miss you guys so much. The fact that I've not been posting, I said in my last video, it's not really easy combining school, work, my personal life, then YouTube. But I miss this life, having to create content and post. I just had to do this because I feel it's important. I can't leave you guys right here without posting for almost a year, no way. So I just wanted to do this and see what you guys have to say. And thank you so much for those who checked on me, asking me, oh, are you fine, what's up? I'm like, yo, I relocated and it's not been so easy, but then it's getting good. So yeah, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Then guys, remember to like, remember to share, and subscribe if you're new here. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye for now.